Yo, Dog Pound, what's cracking? Alright, so today I've got a special announcement for you guys. That's right, so you guys have been so phenomenal in supporting the channel, and hey, we've finally gotten to the point that we're going to open up memberships. That's right, we're going to start memberships right here on the Dawgfatha's YouTube channel. So what do you get with this membership? You're going to have great access to the Dawgfatha himself. You're going to be able to ask all kinds of questions. We're going to have all kinds of discussions. We're going to talk about cookers. We're going to talk about techniques. We're going to talk about everything barbecue, guys. We're going to, whatever you want to talk about, that's what we're going to talk about, and that's what we're going to do. But wait, there's more. So also within this members only group, you're going to have special access, members only access to a members only Facebook group that we're going to have designed to be a little bit more intimate. We're going to be able to hang out more. We're going to be able to talk more. We're going to have all kinds of interaction. All of our members together, guys. This is going to be our community. We are going to experience barbecue life together. So what else do you get? We're going to have live streams talking about any and everything that we want to talk about with barbecue. We're going to have cooking demonstrations. We might cook some steaks. We might cook some brisket. Who knows? We are going to have fun with this channel. You might even have access to the Dawgfatha's barbecue merchandise that you can only get as a member. So how do you become a member? Well, if you look down there by the subscribe button, you're going to see a join button, and if you click on that join button, you'll be able to join our members only section of this channel. Guys, I'm not going to break it into 30 different tiers of payments. We're going to have one tier, $4.99 a month. $4.99 a month gets you access to the members only group, where you get everything that we're having to offer. All of my announcements that we're going to have for the members only group, I'll be making them in our community tab. So make sure you check out the community tab here on the page and look for that members only section that you're going to be able to access all this information. You never know, I might throw out some footage that you guys have never seen before that only members will get to see. You'll get to see behind the scenes action. You'll get to take a good tour of Barbecue Boulevard and see what's on Pellet Grill Plaza. But guys, don't fret. You don't have to do a membership to enjoy everything that the Dawgfatha offers here. Everything that you've been having before, you will absolutely still have access to. But if you want to go into that next tier and get behind the scenes and get a little more personal with the Dawgfatha, this is the way to do it. Buy a $4.99 a month membership and come hang out with the Dawgfatha and the Dawgfatha's members only community, guys. All right. So $4.99 a month will get you access to the members only section of the YouTube channel, as well as access to the members only Facebook group. So hey, I got to get going. I've got some cooks that I've got to get done to get some more footage onto the channel. So I'm going to get out of here. But guys, hey, click on that join button and become a member today. All right. Thank you guys. I'm out. See you in the next video. Peace.